Good morning, guys! Breakfast time! Here's our food today. Yes, this is sinangag. We call it sinangag, fried rice. And we have the tuyo. Gusto mo yarn? Tuyo. And we have the sausawan. This is onion. Konting onion with maraming kamatis. Ayan. And we have the eggy, pritong itlog, ayan. And we have also the naksat na pritong saba, the sunog na saging na saba, made by our chef brother. Ayan, so kain tayo, guys. As usual, gusto kong tanggalin yung mga yung mga pampaamoy. Sino sa inyo yung nakain ng fried rice with garlic? Ako yung kumakain ako ng fried rice pero tinatanggal ko yung garlic niya. Ayoko yung lasa. Gusto ko yung matigas na Matigas? Gusto ko yung matigas na garlic, guys. Here's the tuyo. Baka maalat tong tuyo. Alam, maalat siya. And today, guys, we're going to Tuguegarao sa SM Mall kasi ipapagupit namin yung mga junakis ko at naglalampong dan. Nagpupilitan nagijay kastada nagijay bubuok dan. Sarap. Egg. Bye! Happy tummy!